Did you know someone once flattened the crown of England with a hammer and almost got away with it? In 1671, an Irish con man named Thomas Blood pulled off the most audacious royal heist in history. For months, he disguised himself as a priest and befriended Talbot Edwards, the elderly keeper of the crown jewels at the Tower of London. Blood even arranged a fake marriage between Edward's daughter and his made-up nephew. On May 9th, Blood and 3 accomplices struck. They overpowered the old keeper, then Blood took out a mallet and flattened St. Edward's crown so he could hide it under his cloak. They grabbed the royal orb and started filing the scepter in half. They were seconds away from escaping with England's most precious treasures when Edward's son unexpectedly returned home. The alarm was raised, and Blood was captured. But here's the twist that shocked everyone. Blood demanded to speak only to King Charles II himself. Even stranger, the king granted him a full pardon and gave him a yearly pension. To this day, nobody knows why.